So here's a video on what it looks like for a J179 to convert from H323 to SIP. Basically, the way you change them from one software to the other is by changing the protocol. To change the protocol, you can do that in a couple of ways. One, in the 46xx file, which will change all the phones. Another way to go into the specific phone. So you can see in here the current network information, not there. So current running 6.8.1. So you can just hit mute 27238 pound. You can see in the addresses, the call server, everything's in here. I'm not going to clear anything out. All I'm going to do is change the SIG option. I'm not going to reset. SIG-Link default, which since it's H23, the default is H23. If you're in SIP, default is SIP. So I'm going to change that to SIP because that's the opposite of what I want. It's the opposite of what I am. Hit save, exit. It's going to reboot. Just that one little flag, by changing the protocol, regardless of what you're currently on, it'll swap to that one. So if you're on H23, and you select H323, it'll stay H323. And if you're SIP, same thing. If you select SIP, it's going to stay SIP. But if you pick the opposite of what you're on, then it'll change to that. And actually, the way it does that, it actually expects that software on the utility server or HTTP server, and it'll download it, push it to the phone, and change to that version. There we go, back at the full boot up. So you noticed it knew the utility server. Now it's upgrading to SIP. So let's download the software. This actually goes pretty fast. It's currently 0. I'm not going to edit the video. I want to show you how long it really takes. There we go. So it kind of goes from 0 to successful. I'm not sure how long that was, but it was probably under 20 seconds. The video is not edited, so whatever it took, that's real time. So now we're coming up on SIP. And you notice I did not have to, I didn't clear anything else. I didn't have to re-enter HTTP or nothing. So now it should come up. I should be able to log in. And normally these phones will save the username and password on H323. SIP will do the same. Test number was. Just about up. wish you could see what it's doing, but there you go. So it remembered my phone number, my password. There we go, I got dial tone. So I was just H323 a second ago. Now I'm set just by one change in the admin menu.